By 2026, millions of jobs will look completely different. Not because of people, but because AI is growing faster than anyone expected. If you think your job is safe, think again. Some roles are already being replaced quietly, long before most people even notice. But here's the good news. If you watch this video till the end, you won't feel scared. You'll feel prepared. You'll learn which jobs are at risk, which skills will keep you valuable, and how to use AI to your advantage instead of fighting against it. Companies worldwide are adopting AI to cut costs, automate tasks, and move at lightning speed. This isn't meant to frighten you. It's meant to help you stay ahead. Let's start with customer support. AI voice assistants and multilingual chatbots are now so advanced that they sound human. They answer instantly, work 24/7, and cost far less than a full support team. Jobs at risk include call center agents, live chat support staff, and basic tech support roles. Businesses love AI here because it's fast, cheap, and never gets tired. This entire field is changing rapidly. Next, content creation. AI tools can now write blog posts, scripts, captions, and even ads in just minutes, all with consistent quality. Jobs at risk here include entry-level copywriters, social media content creators, and basic script writers. Companies prefer AI because it produces more content at a fraction of the cost, and by 2026, these tools will only become stronger. Graphic design and video editing are also being transformed. AI design generators and automated video editors can create stunning visuals in seconds. They generate multiple ideas instantly and can edit videos automatically. Jobs most affected are junior graphic designers, basic video editors, and thumbnail designers. By 2026, simple design work may be almost fully automated. Administrative work and data entry are seeing big changes too. AI can read documents, organize data, and schedule tasks faster than any human. Jobs at risk include data entry clerks, personal assistants, and general admin staff. AI doesn't make mistakes, doesn't take breaks, and handles huge workloads instantly. Even coding and software development are impacted. AI code generators can write entire functions, fix bugs, and speed up development massively. Junior developers, routine software maintenance roles, and QA testers are most at risk. AI writes clean code faster and finds errors humans often miss. Finance and accounting are changing as well. AI bookkeeping tools and automated tax systems can handle financial data with near-perfect accuracy. Jobs at risk include bookkeepers, junior accountants, and payroll clerks. Companies love AI here because it eliminates errors and saves time. Retail and warehousing operations are also being transformed. AI systems now manage inventory, restock products, and handle fulfillment automatically. Jobs most at risk are stock counters, fulfillment staff, and basic warehouse workers. AI predicts demand, reduces waste, and works non-stop. Of course, not all jobs are at risk. Roles that require creativity, strategy, leadership, emotional intelligence, and skilled technical work are still safe. These roles still need a human mind, not a machine. So how can you stay ahead in an AI-driven world? First, use AI as a tool, not a threat. Second, focus on skills that require human thinking, creativity, strategy, and problem solving. Third, keep improving your digital and AI skills. Become the person who controls AI, not the one replaced by it. AI isn't coming in 2026, it's already here. The difference between people who lose their jobs and those who succeed is simple. Adaptation. Learn the tools, understand the technology, and be ready. The future won't wait, and neither should you. If you liked this video and want to learn more about AI and how to earn money online, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Earn Money Online. Stay tuned for more tips and guides to help you make money in the AI-driven world.